I like it. I like it.
A program on TV.
Okay.
So I saw
what
what
was the first thing that came to your mind?
I want to be there. That was what I said. I told my mother that I must be there.
Sogi Couture is known for high-class clothing and fashion accessories. And this is where Nancy is going to be spiced up in good clothing, only worthy and befitting for this occasion. The thrill never stops, the excitement is unending, and the memories, they sure will last for a long time. All the joy of it. Are you wishing and thinking you're in nicer shoes right now? All you need to do is get your Mingle registration scratch card for 500 naira. And who knows, you could just be on this side of the screen.
This is for you, Nancy. Complete with sir.
Thank you very much. Very excited now because I don't even believe myself coming to this very fantastic and nice boutique. I'm very happy. Thank you, Mingle.
This is Brazilian Sprite Day Spa, a one-stop shop for total wellness of the body from the inside.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Welcome, Nancy.
Nancy, you're welcome to Brazilian Sprite.
This is Nancy.
You sure remember how our winner Nancy looks when we picked her from her house? All that is about to change. As you can see, the transformations are all going. In time, you will see what Mingle can do to you. Nancy, a new beauty queen in the making. What are you waiting for? Get your groove on and make that plan to be here next week. It will only cost you 500 naira to get your Mingle registration scratch card. Behold, Nancy, looking like a princess, ready to mingle with our celeb of the week.
Show you anything, cause oh you mean it to me. I mean I like the color where I live now. I to enjoy. I like the color where I live now. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I like the color where I live now. Oh yeah, me, oh yeah, me.
I'm very excited. The experience about the hair, the boutique, the massaging, the face facial, the makeup, and the dress. I'm very, very excited with my lovely shoe on my leg. Mingle, I want them to continue to do what they are doing. And viewers out there, this is really good. I don't know what to say.
Our celeb of the week is in a class of his own, having a need for himself and being accepted by everyone. On Mingle, we call him the People's Ambassador, because all he does, all the time, is speak the mind of the people. His name is... You just have to hang on there for a little bit to find out who our delectable star of the week is. This is East Center, situated in the heart of Yaba, Lagos. East Center houses one of the luxurious entertainment spots on the mainland, the Coco Lounge. And this is where Nancy will be meeting as celebrity for this week. On Mingle, a promise made is a promise kept. Sit back and enjoy the breathtaking experience as brought to you by Mingle.
Over there. Or this way. Okay, this will be better. This is Nancy. She's this week's winner. Your #1 fan. She's been screaming, "Oh, Sound Sultan!" And this is finally you have met Sound Sultan. Yeah. So I'll leave you two to be here. I'll leave you two to be here so you get acquainted. You know.
Yeah,
Okay.
Baby, you're calling, baby, you're calling, baby, you're calling, baby, you're calling, your baby, love your baby, push your hands up, and you know your baby love you too, You have no time for darling, time for darling, no darling, no darling. But look, you know this love is straight. Baby, you're calling, baby, you're calling, baby, you're calling. Baby, you're calling, oh. Malo no quiere malo pe. Tori you're calling, oh. Malo no quiere malo pe. Tori you're calling, oh. I'm a Cinderella, 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 oh. You said pass, mommy, what are you said? You know. But if he dey better, better. If you get someone to call your own, yeah. Baby, you're calling. Baby, you're calling, baby, you're calling, baby, you're calling, malo no quiere malo pe, tori you're calling, malo no quiere malo pe, tori you're calling, oh yeah, Baba, pull your baby closer, tell him say the love go last forever, say you wanna go there together, when I found sun or anywhere, oh yeah, Baba, pull your baby closer, tell him say the love go last forever, say you wanna go there together.
On stage presenting your song and stuff, how do you feel with the faces, everybody, the crowd?
No, after a while, that crowd turns into only like one person. The whole crowd, you understand? They just turn into like one people to you. So it's just like you're just facing a happy set of people. You don't have to be. You know, make it, you don't individualize the whole crowd. You just make sure they're all a whole group of happy people with the same motive, the same purpose of being there to be happy. So just
okay, musicians now, coming to music stuff, there are lots of youths out there that want to be a musician. Some they are singing out of point. I don't know what they are doing, wasting their time on the studio, say they are singing, but my advice is that what are the things, the steps to follow to become a musician?
You know, everything in every trade in life, when it's blossoming and a lot of people are seeing the eye-catching aspect of it, there has to be a lot of people that will just come heads on and just want to be part of it, even if they have no reason to be part of it. You understand? So that's why we get like great crashers. You know, people get crash the industry because they see the limelight, they see, oh, these artists are making so much money, they're doing this, they're doing that, oh, this is, you know, so they believe, oh, they can make easy money. You know, I don't blame them because some people too, they come, they sing some kind of songs that you don't know, you know, and they make it, so they believe, that I can make it, you know, but music is a talent sometimes, you know. Most people can't even force it into themselves. And we you know, that we happen to find ourselves with it. I cannot explain how it came by. It's just endowed, you know, it was naturally endowed by God. So for us, we just believe we'll nurture it. What's this?
Can you dance?
Hey, no, you didn't do what celebrity takes. How can you ask that romantic asking? My dance funny dance. Yeah, dance with you. Everybody dance. You don't pass me. I'm dancing on rubber with a leper. I'm dancing on, okay, what's your rubber? Bring this out. You will not yourself with your leg back. Don't you go down me. Now you go down.
Enjoy everything about the show, the limo, seeing Sound Sultan, going to the boutiques, Soji boutique. Everything about him is okay. Some few things I learned from him is that he said that when you want to be a musician, it's not that you see other people being a musician, you want to follow them, but just have it in you, your talent, that you want to be a musician.
Okay, I'm not shaking you. Limo la long one, my fuck that, Alright, Nancy, this is where we say goodbye. Have a very lovely week ahead and keep supporting Nigerian music. You know, it's the encouragement you guys give us that make us forge on. So keep supporting Nigerian music so that we can keep making you happy and keep making you smile. Very shaking. So I'm going to give you a CD. A CD exclusive to only you and maybe your family. Because it's from my upcoming album, it's exclusive, it's never been heard before anywhere else. So I'm going to give it to you to enjoy it before everybody starts singing the song, but it starts singing the audition. You know.
Alright guys, you've seen it all right here in Ninja Sound Sultan. And my winner here, Nancy, had all the fun in the world. You took her rubbing shoulders with. Thank you, Ninja. See you next week.
Bye-bye.
I like it. I like it.
There is more where all that came from. And Nancy is going on with clothing and fashion accessories worth over 100K and a memory that'll keep the app smiling for all time.